For millions of years, creatures of unimaginable size ruled the oceans. Bigger than the largest whales, these extinct sea monsters were the apex predators of their time. From the colossal Megalodon to giant cephalopods lurking in the deep, their reign has long since ended, leaving behind mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. Join us as we dive deep into the lost world of extinct sea monsters bigger than whales. The first clue to these massive beasts was unearthed through fossilized remains, bones so large that early scientists struggled to make sense of them. Were they the bones of giant dragons or long-extinct animals? Early fossil hunters, or paleontologists, made groundbreaking discoveries that reshaped our understanding of marine life in prehistory. Paleontology unveils the awe-inspiring remnants of creatures that once ruled our oceans, like the Leviathan and Mosasaurus. Discovered in the depths of history, these fossils are not mere relics. They are gateways to understanding colossal beings that traversed ancient seas. The Leviathan, a massive predatory whale, is notable for its enormous tusks and formidable size, rivaling today's great whales. Meanwhile, the Mosasaurus, a sea monster that could reach lengths of up to 50 feet, showcases the ferocity of marine life in the time of the dinosaurs, prompting discussions of their predatory dominance in prehistoric ecosystems. The sheer scale of these creatures hints at their ecological impact and captivates the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike. Key figures like Mariana have reshaped our understanding of these extinct giants. Anning, a pioneering paleontologist in the 19th century, discovered numerous significant fossils along the Jurassic coast of England. Her relentless spirit and keen observation led to the identification of the first complete ichthyosaurus and contributed greatly to the body of knowledge surrounding marine reptiles. Anning's contributions not only advanced scientific discovery, but shattered societal norms of her time, paving the way for women in science. Her legacy underpins the ongoing pursuit of knowledge about these formidable beings. When we compare the size of these ancient leviathans to modern-day whales and sharks, the magnitude becomes breathtaking. The largest known whales, like the blue whale, can exceed 100 feet, showcasing a vast size that is indeed grand. Yet the African leviathan, with its astounding physical makeup, shares the ocean depths with modern-day giants, creating a narrative that transcends time. Mosasaurus, known for its elongated body and shark-like features, represents a fierce predator that would have been feared in the waters, much like how we perceive sharks today. Furthermore, the planet is adorned with major fossil sites that illuminate our understanding of these ancient creatures. The Badlands of South Dakota and the cliffs of Lyme Regis in England are gold mines for fossil hunters and researchers alike. Other notable sites include the vastness of the Hell Creek Formation and the sediment-rich layers of Morocco, where prehistoric life is meticulously preserved. Each of these locations holds clues to the ancient marine environments that nurtured the Leviathan and Mosasaurus, enriching our grasp of paleontological narratives across the globe. In the realm of marine paleontology, a world of buried treasures awaits. Marine paleontologists, the detectives of prehistoric oceans, study fossils that unlock the mysteries of ancient marine life. One of the significant finds in recent years has been the discovery of well-preserved marine fossils from the late Cretaceous period. This era, teeming with diverse life forms, offers insights into evolutionary processes and environmental changes that shaped the planet's history. During a recent interview, one marine paleontologist passionately described the importance of these fossil finds. They emphasized that fossils are not just remnants of the past, but serve as windows into understanding prehistoric ecosystems. By studying the morphology and distribution of these marine fossils, scientists can reconstruct ancient environments and trace the lineage of marine species. This knowledge aids in grasping both the resilience and vulnerability of life in the face of climate change, offering critical lessons for present and future conservation efforts. Another paleontologist highlighted the scientific implications of these finds. They explained that understanding how marine life adapted during ancient periods of upheaval, such as mass extinctions and fluctuating sea levels, can offer valuable perspectives on contemporary biodiversity challenges. These fossils serve as benchmarks to assess current marine biodiversity loss and predict potential future scenarios. The findings allow researchers to create models that may help mitigate the impacts of ongoing environmental changes, ensuring a better grasp of how marine ecosystems function amid varying pressures. As the interviews progressed, the conversation turned to collaboration in the field. Marine paleontologists often work alongside geologists and climatologists, forming interdisciplinary teams. This collaboration fortifies their research, combining fossil evidence with sediment analysis and climate data, enriching the narrative of Earth's history. It also highlights the necessity of exchanging ideas within the scientific community to advance knowledge and protection of marine environments. In conclusion, these interviews with marine paleontologists illuminate the profound significance of fossil discoveries in understanding our planet's past. Each artifact holds a story, and these scientists are the narrators, piecing together life's intricate tapestry. Their work not only sheds light on ancient worlds, but also paves the way for creating a sustainable future by learning from the past. In the end, the interplay between history and conservation is what drives the quest for knowledge in marine paleontology. The Megalodon, a name that sends chills down the spine. At over 60 feet long, this shark was the undisputed ruler of the prehistoric oceans. But how did such a giant predator come to dominate? And why did it eventually go extinct? Megalodon, a name that evokes awe and fascination, was truly a marvel of evolutionary design. Its imposing size, reaching lengths of up to 60 feet, dwarfed even the largest modern sharks. This colossal predator boasted a powerful set of jaws lined with serrated teeth, each measuring over a foot in length. The structure of its jaws allowed for an immense bite force, enabling Megalodon to tackle large prey with devastating efficiency. These teeth, designed to slice through flesh, were not just tools for feeding but also symbols of its dominance in the oceanic hierarchy, instilling fear in contemporary marine life and shaping the ecosystem they inhabited. As an apex predator, Megalodon's hunting tactics were sophisticated, likely resembling a blend of ambush and active pursuit. It is believed that Megalodon primarily targeted early marine mammals, such as large whales, employing stealth in its hunting approach. By using its massive size and formidable speed, this giant would close in on its prey with remarkable precision. The presence of a creature like Megalodon meant that the balance of the marine ecosystem was tilted in its favor, regulating populations of large marine species, which in turn fostered a diverse oceanic environment. Such predator-prey dynamics highlight the intricate web of life present in prehistoric oceans. However, the reign of Megalodon was not to last forever. The reasons behind its eventual extinction remain a subject of deep scientific inquiry. Shifts in ocean temperatures, particularly during the late Miocene to early Pliocene epochs, would have disrupted habitats and prey availability. A decline in large marine mammals, perhaps due to climate changes and ecological shifts, could have significantly impacted Megalodon's food supply. Moreover, competition from smaller, more agile predators like the great white shark introduced new challenges, leveraging advantages in speed and adaptability. Together, these factors may have contributed to the eventual demise of this gigantic predator. In drawing comparisons between Megalodon and modern apex predators, it's important to note the similarities and differences in hunting strategies and ecological impacts. Today's apex predators, like great white sharks or orcas, have adapted to thrive within their specific ecosystems, showcasing agility and social complexity that their ancient counterpart could not. Yet, the legacy of Megalodon lives on. The foundations of predator-prey dynamics it established continue to influence the structure of marine ecosystems today. Understanding Megalodon's place in history not only illuminates the past, but also reminds us of the delicate balance that persists within our oceans. Apex predators, such as sharks and orcas, play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. These iconic hunter species shape the behavior, distribution, and population dynamics of prey species, thereby influencing the overall health of the oceans. Marine biologists devote their expertise to unraveling the complexities of these interactions, shedding light on the intricate web of life beneath the waves. The elusive Megalodon, an ancient apex predator, serves as a striking example of nature's power and ecological importance. With its massive size and formidable teeth, Megalodon hunted large marine animals and likely influenced their populations significantly. By preying on the weak and sick, it helped ensure the continued health and evolution of marine species over millennia, promoting genetic diversity. This natural selection process ensured that the healthiest and strongest specimens thrived, contributing to the stability of marine ecosystems. As apex predators like Megalodon regulate prey populations, they also foster the growth of diverse habitats. With fewer large grazers in an area, seagrasses and coral reefs can flourish, providing essential habitats for countless species. Enhanced biodiversity leads to more resilient ecosystems, capable of withstanding environmental stressors such as climate change and pollution. In this dynamic system, every organism plays a part, from the apex predators at the top to the smallest plankton at the base, emphasizing the interconnectedness of marine life. However, modern threats driven by human activity endanger apex predators and, consequently, marine ecosystems. Overfishing, habitat loss, and climate change disrupt the natural balance, resulting in cascading effects throughout the food chain. Marine biologists caution that without protection for these apex predators, we risk destabilizing entire ecosystems and losing vital species forever. Through research and conservation efforts, scientists strive to advocate for these predators, ensuring their survival and the preservation of marine habitats. Understanding the role of apex predators in marine ecosystems is crucial for fostering healthy oceans. By studying the past significance of creatures like Megalodon, marine biologists emphasize the lessons learned and illuminate the urgency of our current conservation efforts. Protecting these key species not only nurtures the intricate marine web, but also supports our own well-being, as healthy oceans ultimately sustain a wealth of resources for future generations. As stewards of the sea, we hold the responsibility to safeguard these magnificent ecosystems before it's too late. The mysteries of the deep ocean hold many secrets, and few are as tantalizing as the colossal cephalopods. Today, the colossal squid still roams the ocean, but it pales in comparison to its ancient cousins. Let's delve into the world of these giant invertebrates. In the depths of the oceans, ancient giants roamed, with the Tusoteuthis emerging as one of the most fascinating extinct squid species. Imagine a creature with elongated arms stretching 20 feet or more, gliding silently through the crushing blackness of its habitat. This cephalopod not only had remarkable size, but its adaptations offer a glimpse into the mysterious strategies that allow species to thrive in extreme environments. Comparing Tusoteuthis to their modern counterparts, the colossal and giant squids, reveals both similarities and distinctive traits. While current giants boast substantial lengths, the sheer mass of the Tusoteuthis challenges our understanding of cephalopod growth. Visualizing tentacles lined with powerful suckers, it becomes clear how these adaptations provided survival advantages, from predator evasion to capturing elusive prey in the obscure depths. The darkness of the ocean depths posed unique challenges, spurring simple yet effective adaptations in these ancient creatures. Bioluminescence may have been a thrilling feature, shrouded in mystery, and potentially used for communication or luring unsuspecting prey. When thinking of the possible intelligence of these ancient cephalopods, the brain-to-body ratio hints at the likelihood of complex behaviors akin to modern-day giants, suggesting them to be cunning hunters navigating their watery realm with finesse. Evidence of fossilized beaks and remains indicates hunting strategies possibly comparable to present-day species, showcasing the evolutionary continuity of their kind. Fossil records offer crucial insight into the past, with preserved remains revealing the astonishing size and morphological features of ancient squids. These findings paint a vivid picture of their evolutionary journey, showcasing adaptations such as larger sizes and enhanced locomotion that have been retained by their descendants. Modern sightings of colossal squids, elusive and enigmatic, raise questions about their resemblance to these ancient titans as we continue to uncover the mysteries of their existence. Over millions of years, cephalopods have evolved remarkable abilities and adaptations. The evidence from fossil records and coastal sightings intertwines ancient histories with the present, reminding us of the indelible connections that bind these magnificent creatures across epochs. As the waves whisper secrets of the deep, the story of squids transcends time, offering a tantalizing reminder of the extraordinary evolution that continues lurking beneath the ocean's surface. What caused these giants to disappear from our oceans? To solve this mystery, we must examine the environmental changes that reshaped the world's oceans. Climate change, shifting continents, and fluctuating sea levels have shaped the Earth's landscape and ecosystems, creating both challenges and opportunities for the ancient giants that roamed our planet. As the climates warmed and cooled, vast stretches of land were submerged or exposed, altering habitats that these magnificent creatures called home. The gradual movement of tectonic plates created barriers and bridges that separated populations, leading to unique evolutionary paths and adaptations in isolation. Ancient forests gave way to open plains, while coastal areas transformed as sea levels danced, continuously rearranging the habitat tapestry. In this dynamic environment, competition became a fierce reality. The emergence of smaller, adaptive predators brought about a new hierarchy in the ecosystem. While the ancient giants dominated in size, their sheer mass made them slow and vulnerable to nimble competitors. As smaller species evolved, they became proficient hunters, gaining an edge in hunting strategies that allowed them to exploit resources more effectively. This shift in predator dominance transformed the ancient giants' roles within their ecosystems, forcing them to adapt to a world where they were no longer uncontested rulers. As these giants faced their challenges, the availability of prey species also fluctuated. Changes in climate influenced the distribution and abundance of vegetation and smaller animals, ultimately affecting the food supply for larger predators. When lush forests retreated due to shifting temperatures or when water sources dried up, the ancient giants struggled to find adequate sustenance, leading to survival pressures. This led to discussions within the scientific community about whether these giants could have adapted to new dietary preferences in response to changing ecosystems. Amidst the story of survival and competition, the ocean remains a vast, mysterious frontier. The depths are believed to conceal secrets, potentially holding undiscovered giant marine species that have yet to be seen by human eyes. The impenetrable darkness of the ocean suggests that even with advancements in exploration, many habitats might still harbor creatures that could rival ancient giants in size and behavior. Debating the existence of these elusive behemoths ignites the imagination, raising questions about what mysteries lie beneath the waves and whether we are only beginning to scratch the surface of understanding the history of life on Earth. Over millions of years, ocean ecosystems have undergone profound transformations, shaped by natural phenomena and human impact. Environmental scientists and ecologists meticulously study these changes, revealing an intricate tapestry of life that thrived in ancient seas. From the prehistoric giants that ruled the waters to the delicate ecosystems we treasure today, the narrative of ocean life is one of resilience and adaptation. The ancient oceans were populated with colossal creatures, such as the fearsome Megalodon and the gentle leviathans of their time. As environments shifted, with mountains rising and continents drifting, these giants evolved or faced extinction. The interplay of geology and biology forged pathways for new species to emerge, yet left indelible marks on the remaining marine habitats. Deep-sea trenches and coral reefs formed, creating diverse niches that continue to inspire awe and wonder. Today's ecologists focus on the enduring legacies of these ancient giants, exploring how their existence influenced the ecosystems that followed. The remnants of their lives, found in fossil records, help us understand ancient food webs and climate patterns. These insights illuminate the relationship between large marine mammals and their environment, how they thrived in rich biodiverse habitats, and how their decline parallels the current challenges our oceans face. Anthropogenic effects such as overfishing, pollution, and climate change have created pressures unlike those faced by their prehistoric counterparts. The lessons from the past resonate powerfully today. Ecologists emphasize the necessity of conservation efforts, advocating for strategies to protect our oceans and their inhabitants. The extinction of ancient giants serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of marine ecosystems. Remaining populations of large marine animals such as whales and sharks not only enrich our understanding of ocean health, but also signal the critical state of marine biodiversity. In conclusion, the evolution of ocean ecosystems over millions of years offers profound insights into our world. Environmental scientists remind us that by examining the narratives etched in the seas, we can better comprehend our role in safeguarding these ecosystems. The giants of the past echo within the waves, urging us to act with responsibility and foresight to ensure a healthy, thriving ocean for future generations. An investment in preserving marine life today may echo through the ages, fostering ecosystems that flourish for millennia to come. Studying these extinct giants not only opens a window to our planet's past, but also helps us understand the evolution of life as we know it. What can these ancient creatures teach us about the world we live in today? The ocean is a vibrant tapestry of life that holds profound importance for our planet's health and biodiversity. Many of its ecosystems are threatened by human activity, resulting in the extinction of massive sea creatures over millennia. Reflecting on these losses, we gain insight into the critical need for conservation. The extinction of giants like the Megalodon serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of marine life and underscores our duty to protect what remains, ensuring future generations can witness the wonders of the ocean. As scientists delve into the mysterious depths of our oceans, the potential for discovery remains limitless. Modern technology allows researchers to explore uncharted waters, uncovering fossils and clues about ancient species that once thrived in these realms. These journeys into the depths bring forth the possibility of encountering unknown species, providing insights into evolutionary patterns and highlighting the intricate web of life that once was. The study of these remnants enriches our understanding of ocean ecosystems and the necessity of protecting them today, as each lost species is a chapter unread in the natural history of our planet. In light of these lessons from the past, ongoing conservation efforts are essential to safeguard today's marine giants, such as whales and sharks. Through various initiatives, marine protected areas are established, providing safe havens for these creatures to thrive away from the perils of fishing and pollution. Local communities are often engaged in these efforts, fostering a sense of stewardship and offering insights into sustainable practices that respect ocean life. The synthesis of science, education, and community action is pivotal in advocating for change and protecting these majestic animals. Only with concerted efforts can we prevent history from repeating itself, ensuring that current ocean giants do not face the same fate as their extinct counterparts. The narrative of our oceans is still being written, filled with the lessons of the past and hopes for the future. It is a call to humanity to cherish and safeguard the delicate balance of ocean ecosystems. We must rally together, investing in science, education, and conservation, recognizing that the ocean is not only a source of beauty, but also an irreplaceable resource that sustains life on Earth. The actions we take today will determine whether future generations inherit a thriving marine world or one diminished by neglect.